we actually distributed school supplies, and we also went to Zapatera schools, or we also provided school supplies for the Galuin school years.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. It's our pleasure to be being chosen one by Gaisano. So it's our honor, and thank you also for joining us this afternoon. Being part of Student Life Organization actually is also a calling. It takes really a call and a passion to start this organization, because being an EN doesn't have millions. But to tell you, you can start, you can be kind, even without millions or thousands. Just start. So we just started. So we have this past accomplishment timeline. We have this art workshop with pets, students, and then we have done also this first box of love distribution. A box of love actually is a gift giving for specifically for PWD students. And then we also help with the Earth Week and with Katong Storm, and then we have done another Box of Love and then art workshop, and we have launched the Student Art Fest last February, because I'm also an artist. And so we have this workshop that we have done, because we are not just like saying PWD students is just our connection. No, we have done, and we are going to do something for them.
Alright, can you give the picture?
Okay, good afternoon everyone. May hapon. Okay, this is my 9th year with Gaisano Capital Run. And for this year, we have 4 categories. We have the 4K, the 8K, and the 16K, as well as the 1K for the kids. And this run is open to everybody. Now, for our official run, the 4K. By the way, Atong Ruta is going heading towards Mactan Shrine. The 4K will be having their turning point before Gate 3 at Lepsa. The 8K, they will be having their turning point at Petron Oil Depot at Barangay Ibo. However, the 16K will go straight to Barangay Buaya to Barangay Mactan. They will be having their turning point after the new Gaisano Capital Store across Mactan Shrine. Okay, that is where their turning point before Shangri-La. And going back, ML Quezon Avenue leading towards the finish line. The 1K for the kids, they will be having their turning point at the corner going to City Hall, going to Lapu-Lapu City Hall and back to the finish line. The gun start for the 16K is scheduled at 3:30 in the morning. The 8K is at 3:45, while the 4K is at 4 o'clock in the morning. The 1K, we will start the 1K at 5 o'clock in the morning para majority sa mga runners nakafinish na. Now, we will be having water stations, cold water stations in every 2 kilometers. We'll be giving chocolates, fruits for the 16K as well as for the 8K. And for the safety of our runners, we would like to thank the CTMS for their cooperation, and with the help of Ma'am Senyago from the finish line specialist, we're hoping for the success for this year's Gaisano Capital Run. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Now, before we are going to proceed with the Q&A,
only last year every year for the 9 years we only 2,000. This is very challenges to us. Of course, I will find the better place sana for our Lapu-Lapu City will ano sa amin, open arms na kasi I cannot do to the city for the some runners there questionings. That is our guest namin. And it's because the Cebu City, mataas yung talaga, yung amusement tax. So yung amusement tax ibigay ko na lang sa sa my beneficiary. So sabi ko, I'll go Lapu-Lapu City again. And then of course, makilala din yung stores namin dito, the Mactan. And of course, we have our conventions game. At least makita nyo din. And then the second question, ma'am? Our preparations, I think our preparations for now is last November, I think, nag-prepare na kami.
Wow!
November, matagal-tagal. Kaya actually, we want this opportunity, the media launch, nung May pa. Pero sabi ko, sobrang daming runs. So, nag-ibuy ako, and then June, sabi ko, we have 3 months para ma-endorse ito. Sana tulungan nyo kami para yun sa mga community natin and for our beneficiaries. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. I think we have 3 more questions here. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I like the slogan, run strong and then hang up later. That's a good motivation for us runners. But I just would like to be clarified about the mechanics of the hang up later. What about for the 16K runners? We know that edge itong mga shorter distances compared to 16K. And then, second question is, do you have age category for the prizes?
I think for the age cut, that's gonna be addressed by Sir Joel. So the first question is, what if dugay silang maabot? Mao siya na ang question. Kuan ba, whether ba ka ng taksa-taksa?
For the first question, I will answer for you, ma'am. Actually, before we have instructions for the suppliers, our merchants na magbibigay ng freebies na sabay-sabay talaga siya. We have time. And of course, same last year, your raised beef, may sign doon kapag nakakuha ka na sa kanila o wala. Or we have tatak na i-provide na para lahat makabigay talaga siya. Actually, they are stressing on me, bakit sobrang laki daw, sobrang dami ng runners na ngayon. Sabi ko, pagbigyan niyo muna ako this year. Kailangan niyo i-comply talaga yung 5,000 to 10,000 na freebies. So, I want more talaga na mabigyan kayo lahat.
And Sir Joel, for the age cut category,
So for this year's run, there's no age category prizes. We are offering the top 3 prizes for the male and female fastest
Overall.
runner. Yes, fastest runners overall for every category.
Alright, thank you. And next question, sir.